So you want to become a full stack developer? Let's talk about it. Realistically, this isn't just about learning how to code, it's about learning how to build things that work. Full stack means you handle both the front end, what the user sees, and the back end, how everything actually works under the hood. It's like being the designer and the builder of a house at the same time. Now, before we even jump into the roadmap, I know what you're thinking, but what about AI? Isn't AI doing all the coding now? Here's the truth. AI can help, but it's not replacing good developers, not anytime soon. AI is like Iron Man's suit, powerful, yeah, but you still need Tony Stark to wear it. Without a human driving it, AI is just a bunch of code waiting for instructions. You still need to know what to build, how to structure things, and how to debug when stuff breaks. And trust me, things will break. All right, back to the roadmap. Step 1, learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is your core. Every website, every app starts here. You have to understand how structure, styling, and logic work together. Then jump into React. It's what most companies use to build modern interactive apps. From there, learn Next.js. It builds on React and helps you create faster, cleaner, SEO-friendly apps. On the back end, go with Python and Django. Django takes care of so much: routing, authentication, database work, and lets you build powerful APIs that your front end can talk to. Now, you'll need to know Git, not just for saving your code, but for working with teams. Version control, branches, commits. This is how real-world projects stay organized. And yeah, learn how to deploy your projects. Use Vercel for front-end, maybe Render, or Railway for back-end. Knowing how to go from code on my laptop to live on the internet makes you stand out. But here's where it all comes together. Build real projects, not just to-do lists or calculators. Build dashboards. Build something that pulls real data. Add login, user roles, mobile responsiveness. Show you understand how to build apps that solve problems, not just show off features. Now, the mindset part, and this is important. You will get stuck. You will get rejected. You'll question whether you're even cut out for this. But don't give up. Every rejection teaches you something. Every bug is a learning moment. Remember why you started. It's a journey, a learning curve. And AI, use it to your advantage. Let it help you write boilerplate code or explain errors or speed up boring stuff. But your brain, your thinking, your ability to solve problems, that's the real value. So if you're out there trying to break into full stack, block out the noise, focus on building, stay consistent, get curious. This space still needs thinkers, still needs builders. You're not late. You're just getting started.